Hello students, welcome you all on YourPedia. So my dear students, as you already know, ISRO start their recruitment process, and if we talk about the recruitment, the pattern of the exam, in this time 80 questions from the technical subjects. So in this video I am going to discuss about the computer science highly weighted subjects. As the pattern is like we get 1 minute for one questions. So we may expect that the most of the problems are theoretical in their nature, in which they are trying to cover the whole concept. Instead of you have to solve numerically all the problems, as we earlier saw, like most of the questions are from the previous year gate problems, but this time as pattern is changed, you may get most of the questions are theoretical in their nature. In that particular area they are trying to cover each and every concept of the subject. Fine. So if we talk about the computer science important subjects for ISRO, first and the foremost important subject is data structure and algorithm. As we already know, as a computer science student, algorithm and data structure are the base, or I can say the core subject of computer science. In each and every PSUs, it is the most weighted subject. Approximately you may face 10 to 12 problems from this area. So my dear students, what type of question you may face from algorithm and data structure? Questions like the direct question related to time complexity of heap sort, time complexity of quick sort, time complexity of merge sort. Fine. Other than that, they may provide you some recurrence relation and you have to find out the rate of growth. So these type of questions are very important. You may face some problems based on some searching technique, some sorting technique. Fine. And if we go further, then you may face problems based on greedy, time complexity of greedy, applications of Dijkstra's algorithm. Then if we talk about data structure subject, you may face some little bit code that is based on linked list, or you may face some array problems. Fine. You may face BFS, DFS problems, applications of BFS, DFS, stack problems. So my dear student, again I am recommend you that data structure and algorithm is the highly weighted subject. So please make the small notes, please make notes for the formulas and important points, and try to revise again and again. If we move ahead, the next important subject is operating system. Operating system. In operating system, again previously they asked the question from job scheduling, which will take at least 1 to 2 minutes, but this time you may face problems which are theoretical in their nature, like in which job scheduling starvation is there, deadlock is there, what is the difference between user level and kernel level thread, why we use paging, what is the drawback of paging. So in these type of question you may face from the subject operating system. Again it is a highly weighted subject, you may face 6 to 7 problems from this subject. Moving forward, next very important subject is computer network. If we analyze the previous year papers, again the weightage of computer network is too high, because a number of questions we can create which are theoretical in their nature. Functionality of router, then data link layer concept, application layer concept, what is RARP, ARP, what is DNS, questions based on some security part. Fine. So my dear students, keep in mind what is TTL, what is the header size. So a number of questions we may create from computer network. So it is again a highly weighted subject. So if we talk about first 3 topmost subject, I can go with data structure algorithm, operating system and computer network. And next very important subject is digital. Even though digital for computer science students, digital is a like little bit easy and the syllabus is somewhat less than if we talk about the EC branch. but still my dear students, you face many problems from digital also. And the next subject is DBMS system, database management system. So you may face problem based on normalization, based on finding the candidate key, question based on indexing, and one important topic is question based on SQL. Maybe they will ask some basic problem and you have to find out the correct options, what is the output of that particular SQL query. So my dear student, my suggestion for you is, please make a command on these topics. First start with these topics and then move ahead. Data structure algorithm, operating system, computer network, digital and database management system. I think that approximately out of 80 marks, we may expect 35 to 40 questions. Out of 80 questions, we may expect 35 to 40, or in terms of percentage 35 to 40% questions from only these 5 subjects. Next, as they already mentioned some of the allied topics, even though they later removed that allied word, but keep in mind my dear students, if we talk about the important subjects in terms of allied topic, or we can say some extra subjects which are not core in their nature. So software engineering is the most important subject. Previously they asked a lot of questions from the software engineering, because we may create number of problems which are theoretical in their nature. So my dear students, keep in mind, again software engineering is a very important topic. You may expect 4 to 5 problems from software engineering. Next important subject is cyber security. Even though you may face 2 to 3 problems from the cyber security, but I can say because the subject is, the weightage is low, again the course structure is also low. Fine. Very minimum course structure, we have some standard type of security, some standard attacks, and that is theoretical in their nature. If you give like I say 10 hours, that is more than sufficient for cyber security. So my dear students, software engineering and cyber security, again these 2 subjects are very important, even though their weightage is less, but the content is also less. But software engineering, again at least 5 to 6 problem you may face. So it comes under the high weightage subject. Fine. So I can mention here specifically, that is software engineering. So my dear students, these are some of the important topics: data structure algorithm, then move ahead operating system, computer network, digital, then again software engineering. Fine. So these are some of the important topic, highly weightage topic, which covers almost 60 to 65% of the syllabus. So my dear student, start your preparation, first cover these subjects and then move ahead. If you face any problem, you have any query, you have any doubt related to the weightage of subject, the type of pattern, the question, what type of question they will ask this time, so please contact to YourPedia team. As YourPedia team starts or launch their dedicated batch from 1st of June. So if you have query and if you want to attend some batch, then please join YourPedia ISRO dedicated batch. In that particular batch, we are trying to cover each and every topic. We are not even miss a single allied topic, even though I am not referring that word allied, but still we are covering each and every subject. So you may join YourPedia ISRO dedicated batch. If you have any query, go to YourPedia website and ask your query. Raise your query at that particular domain. Fine. YourPedia team will reach out to you. If you have any query, please write down in the comment section box. Thank you so much.